Hi everybody and welcome to week 3. We'll just do a quick review of our week 2 textbook readings. As we remember reading, there are 4 spheres of political action. This type of political action can take place in our workplace, it can take place in our government, in our respective professional organizations, and in our local community. Political power is a concept that has not been traditionally associated with nursing, but nurses have long been involved. We saw that in our research on nursing leaders. Benner's caring types of power. So as far as nursing goes, nurses can have transformative power, integrative power, the power of advocacy, healing, participative, and problem solving. How can nurses influence political decisions? By negotiating, by networking in and out of work, by preparing resolutions. This can be something as simple as attending one of your council or committee meetings and giving your leadership a solution that you think will help. Establishing political action committees, communicating with legislators, building coalitions, lobbying, and testifying. And by the way, kudos to all of you who did communicate with legislators this week. Politics is defined as influencing, specifically influencing the allocation of scarce resources. How can all nurses contribute to political decisions? By voting. Voting is our way of having what we think count. So vote in your professional organizations, vote in your local community elections, vote in this national presidential election. By joining organizations. If you aren't in an organization already, join one. There are just regular nursing organizations like the ANA, and there are also specialty organizations. Become members of committees, councils in your facilities, and support deserving candidates. Have you reflected on ways that you've participated in political activities in the past? If you have, I bet you've realized that it's more than you thought. Our week 3 concepts. What are some examples of healthcare problems that might be present in your current work environment? Here are some of the ones that have been going on in the news lately. So we have mergers. We have hospitals joining and buying other hospitals to increase their financial power. We have drug prices. We have cybersecurity. When people's EMRs are accidentally made public. We have problems with nursing staffing ratios. We have a nursing shortage. By 2020, there is forecast to be a perfect storm of baby boomers retiring, and then also those baby boomers are going to be turning 65 and older and needing health care. We have problems with safety on the job, just things like needle sticks. We have problems with safe patient handling. How many of you in your facilities have safe patient handling devices? And how many of you know how to use these safe patient handling devices? And then we also have workplace violence, which is a huge issue, especially in the ED. There are a lot of patients that are coming into the ED and their violence from outside of the hospital is carried right into the hospital. And there's also incidences of workplace violence can include things like employee bullying. What else can you think of? Okay, so I'll see you this week online. Bye.